Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review one of the best exchange, Binance Exchange. What is it all about, and either it is safer for you to put your funds on Binance Exchange. We are going to review each and single aspect of this exchange. So first of all, how you can sign up on Binance Exchange. It is very simple for you. First of all, you have to write the name of Binance Exchange on the Google search engine, and then on the fourth number you will be able to see the link of Binance Exchange. Here you can see binance.com, binance.com. You just have to click on this link, and then you have to sign up your first account on Binance Exchange. It is very simple. You just have to put your email address, your password, and it is basically the optional one. You have to leave it, and you have to confirm that you are over age 18. After that, you have to click on create account. Now the confirmation email will be sent on your email address. You have to confirm that one email address, and then you'll be able to log in your account. After login to your account, you just have to click on the wallet and come towards the Spot wallet directly. Here I opened the Spot wallet. Now you have to do, for example, if you want to deposit any coin which is basically registered on Binance Exchange, you can easily deposit that one coin over here. For example, I want to deposit BTC. I just have to click on the deposit icon. Now they are going to give me the deposit address, so I have to share this address with anyone, and anyone who want to send me BTC, he can send me directly over here. Very simple. Now the second thing which I want to show you, for example, right now I have, for example, any coin. I'm going to trade any coin for you. For example, I have LTO network coin at this time. So I just have to click on the trade icon. Here you can see, very easy. It's very easy exchange. Now I have three options that right now LTO is being traded in BNB, in BTC, and in USDT. For example, I want to sell out my LTO coin in BTC. I just have to click on the LTO and BTC pair. Now I am redirected towards the exchange main trading form. Here I can see each and everything. Here comes all the buying and all the selling bids are over here. For example, I am in hurry, so I want to sell my token right now. So I just have to click on 844 Satoshis, and then I have to click on 100%. Now they are going to give me 0.00135 BTC. So if I want to sell it, I can easily sell it by just clicking sell LTO. For example, if I have time and I want it to go somehow higher, so I just have to click. For example, I am just going to take the bet of 1200. Now I just have to click on sell LTO. Now they accepted my order, and they said that right now your order is here at 1200 Satoshi. If the price will go high, for example, price will go up to 1200 Satoshi, my LTO war at that time basically sold up. It is the easiest way to use this exchange. Here you can also buy. It is not, I am not going to tell you only about selling. You can also buy any coin from here. For example, from here you can see the 24-hour of volume, 928 BTC. Wow, it's one of the best volume in one coin. It means in LTO, from last 24 hours volume was about 927 BTC, and it is one of the best idea. It means that this coin is going somehow higher. Anyways, now for example, if you want to buy any coin, here you can see number of things. First of all, if I have BTC and I want to buy any altcoin, I can easily buy that one. First of all, you can see each and everything, the Vazir's coin, Ethereum, BNB, anything I can buy directly from my BTC. Now I'm just going to click on the last price. Now from the lower side means with the minimum price, every altcoin has been shown on your screen. Now when I click on the last price, and then they are going to show me from the minimum price of $0.0004. It is one of the best thing. You can easily choose which coins you have to buy at this time. For example, I'm going to click again it, and then it comes towards the BCH, Ethereum, Dashcoin, Monero coin, Litecoin, like these type of coins. So you can easily, basically you can choose the assets by your side. And it is not only about the BTC, you can even buy it. You can say, I will show you each and everything. You can buy it in USDT, you can buy it in different currencies, and also you can buy it in Ethereum, Tron, XRP pairs. Everything is available here. So you just have to come over here, you can just have to sign up on this exchange, and you can easily trade on this exchange. So right now I'm going to show some next features which are also very important and very good for you, because in the beginning you have to learn each and everything. For example, if I want to, you can say, okay, for example, if I want to get my referral link, how I can give my referral link to anyone and how I can earn money from that one. So right now they are giving number of multiple things. Right, at this time you can see, for example, if I just click on 10%, now if any one of you is going to sign up from my referral link, from your every trade, they are going to give me 10% of that one revenue. That is also the best idea. So you just have to come on this exchange, Binance exchange, and you have to definitely get your referral link and share it with some of your friends, and then you are going to get number of things. It is one of the best idea for you to get over it. So right now it is the whole thing, and it is one of the best exchange. But the meanwhile, the main thing which I want to share up with you, you must have to complete somehow basic things. Basic things are the security things. Now, what type of security things you have to complete on this exchange? When you sign up and log in on your account, before submitting, before sending any fund here, you have to click on the security icon. You have to apply your Google Authenticator, your mobile verification, because whenever you want to sign up, they will ask these things from you. And if any hacker or scammer will come and they'll be try to come and they'll be try to enter in your account, they are unable. So it is one of the best thing. You have to complete your security first of all, and then you can use this account. Before ending, you have to subscribe our channel. If you didn't subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe us and hit the bell icon before it's too late, because every day I'm going to share number of multiple things which are entirely important for you all. So thanks a lot for your time.